Last year, AI helped you write emails. This year, AI is starting to do the work for you. Microsoft, Google, and Anthropic are racing to build something much bigger than chatbots, enterprise and workspace agents. These systems don't just answer questions. They can read documents, attend meetings, analyze spreadsheets, and even complete multi-step tasks. The biggest shift in AI products right now is this. AI is moving from a destination to an embedded workflow layer. Before, you opened ChatGPT to ask questions. Now, AI is being integrated directly into Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and CRMs. That changes everything for product managers. Because the winning AI product may no longer be the smartest model. It may be the AI that's connected to the most workflows. Let's look at how the giants are playing this. Microsoft is pushing hardest on enterprise AI agents. Inside Microsoft 365 Copilot, AI is already deeply integrated. It can already summarize meetings, draft presentations, analyze Excel files, and search across company documents. But the newer direction is even more important. Specialized agents. Companies can now deploy role-specific digital teammates. Because Microsoft already owns enterprise identity, permissions, and Office documents, they have a massive head start. Their biggest advantage is not just AI quality, it's enterprise integration and distribution across the tools you already use. For PMs, this is a huge lesson. Distribution and workflow access can matter far more than raw model intelligence. Google is taking a slightly different approach, focusing more on collaborative workspace intelligence for every user. Gemini inside Workspace can summarize email threads, generate meeting notes, and create spreadsheets effortlessly. It coordinates information across apps seamlessly. Google's strength is the speed and simplicity of these daily workflows. Many startups already live entirely inside Workspace. Google's strategy is to make AI feel invisible and naturally built in. And honestly, that reduction in friction may be more powerful for most users than complex enterprise systems. Then we have Anthropic, which is pushing one of the most interesting ideas, the concept of an AI Cowork. Cloud enterprise experience focus less on flashy demos and more on deep reasoning in the long-running work sessions. They want AI that understands the full context of a project, not just a single prompt or question. Then there's Cloud Code. This is where AI starts looking less like autocomplete and more like a junior engineer working beside you. It can inspect repositories, reason through code bases, and execute complex workflows without constant handholding. Enterprise users don't necessarily want AI to sound smarter. They want AI that can reliably complete tasks inside their workflows. Solving for reliability and workflow integration is a completely different product problem than just training a better model. So what should product managers pay attention to as these three giants battle it out? Here are three key takeaways. First, AI products are becoming workflow products. If your AI isn't where the work happens, it's losing. Second, context and permissions are now competitive advantages. Whoever has the data and the right to use it wins. Third, the future is multiple specialized agents. Research, finance, coding, all working together in one workspace. The real battle is no longer who has the best chatbot. It's who owns the AI operating system for work. Over the next year, we'll see enterprise agents evolve from simple assistants into truly autonomous digital teammates. For product managers, understanding this shift early could become a massive strategic advantage in your career. If you enjoy AI product breakdowns from a PM perspective, subscribe to AI Product Talk for more insights.